I do believe in celebrating, restoring, and documenting all that has come before the digital age, because some amazing photography came out of that. I also do believe that you have to stand strong on your beliefs in terms of who you are and what you're trying to say, because nobody can tell your story better than you can. I do not believe in rules. And I think the only rules that I will not break are those that hurt others. But in terms of creative rules, I think I mean, it's a contradiction of what creativity is all about. In Jamaica, there's a certain way you painted, there's a certain way you sculpted, and there's a certain way you photographed, because all these rules were in place. Over the years, that has completely changed in photographers and visual artists and musicians, and they've broken so many rules that they've created styles that are untouchable, and they're continuing to grow. As a photographer, I was told you have to have your own style, but at the same time, when your style became too different, there was no reference to actually compare it to. So then it became a non-style. So people said, well, that doesn't make sense and it's not worth pursuing. Uh, Being Jamaican, there's a little bit of arrogance there, where our parents taught us never to be equal to anybody else, but to be better to succeed. And so I challenged those who said this was not possible, because that just simply inspired me to not just convince you, but to sort of put a stop to that notion that anything new is going against the grain. So therefore, it has to prove its worth before we appreciate what it is. And so, as an artist, I've done many styles, uh, but looking back now in retrospect, uh, I think all the styles, as different as they are, have merged into one, coming from a sole uh, source.